What is going on, everybody? I want to give you a quick update on Walmart. I'm going to show the comparison between Walmart, Target, Costco, as well as Kroger that I've added, just so you can see who's the cheapest, who's the most expensive. I think it's time to do an update now that Walmart is below 130. In my opinion, this is completely cheap, but the whole market's sold out, so we'll see if this is a good time to get into Walmart as a long-term value investing. So let me show you the comparison chart. This is the comparison chart, guys. I have Walmart, and you gotta start thinking about, hey, is this stock that I love is cheap or expensive? Not compared to themselves. Do it the way the professionals are doing it, compared to the competition in the same industry, same everything. When you do both of them, Walmart versus Costco, for example, you find out if something that you like, Walmart, for me, if it's actually expensive or cheap. Not compared to itself, compared to Costco. So this is an update video, and last time I did it, Walmart was at 140, and I said that according to all the comparison graph, the daily graph, daily chart, Walmart needs to go below 135 in order to be below Costco. If you look, this is Walmart. Walmart is the green, red, green, red, green, red, and Costco is the purple line. This is the daily chart going back for about a year, not about exactly a year ago. And you look, all those time, in reality, the comparison, they both need to trade at the same, not the same price, but the same level. Just like a rubber band, one goes up, the other goes down. Eventually, they will go back to the middle. That's exactly what comparison trade means, and this is how Wall Street trade, and no one talks about it, but you need to pay attention. So starting a year ago, since I started to look on the daily chart, Walmart, as I said, always overvalued, more expensive than Costco. If you look all the time, they got back here to be around the same, and of course Walmart jumped, became more expensive. I have never seen Walmart here for about maybe 1-2 days. Walmart was below Costco, and then they jumped up. Here they were below Costco for a little bit, went back up, and they were over Costco, and now we got ourselves a shot right here where we are now, that Walmart is below Costco yet again in terms of comparison, meaning that Walmart is cheaper than Costco. The Walmart stock is cheaper than Costco compared to the between the two. I want to show you how undervalued it is. If you look here, guys, this is the standard deviation, meaning the comparison between the two needs to be around 0. Okay, because they're both in the same industry, both the same competitors. Most of the time it runs between positive 2 standard deviation right here, or negative 2 standard deviation right here. And in the last 6 trading days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, we got ourselves Walmart going below 2, almost 2.5 standard deviation cheaper than where it should trade, which is super undervalued compared to. If you look here, guys, at the end of January, there were like 2 days in February that we got another time that Walmart were super cheap, below 2 standard deviation compared to Costco, which is right here. And Walmart, let me see the price of Walmart was 140. Price of Walmart was 140, and price of Costco was 350. And then a couple of days later, Walmart went up from 140 to 147, and since then we went down from 147 to 130, and we have the same opportunity yet again to buy Walmart on the cheap. That's basically what I think. Let me show you Target and Kroger add to this equation as well. If you can see now, I have added Target, the red one, which is super expensive compared to the other stocks, Walmart, Costco, as well as Kroger, the yellow one, which you see is the cheapest one of them all. cheapest one of them all. So while I love Walmart very much, I just don't have Kroger in my area. If there was, I would go there and I would maybe buy Kroger compared to Walmart. But I have Walmart close to home, so I go there, and I like the stock more than Costco. And I do go to Target as well. But Target, between those four, is completely overvalued, and we will see the earnings this week. Target is pretty awesome, don't get me wrong, but it is overvalued compared to the other. And if you look at Kroger compared to all the others, they are the cheapest stock. They're cheaper than Walmart, which is the second cheapest, which is rare. Don't get me wrong. This is very rare. Costco, second cheapest. So Costco is still expensive at like $3.40. And people on $3.40, $3.33. People bought Costco at $3.80, $3.85, $3.90 almost. And it's almost as it's not the way Target is way over there, but now Costco is more expensive relatively. That's the key word, relatively to Walmart, okay, and mostly to Kroger, which is completely undervalued compared to the other. And look at Target. Target just ran starting August, September, and just beat the other three. And no wonder, you go to Target, the parking lot is full packed. I love Target, don't get me wrong. That being said, if I get, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy with 130, 129 Walmart. But Walmart here, 20% and for the year, and Kroger here, 14% for the year. If Walmart goes another 5-6% down, which is from 130, I don't know, $7-8, let's say 122, anything below like 125, 120 to 125, we'll put Walmart in here below Kroger, assuming Kroger will just go sideways. Okay, so if Walmart, and this is today for me is a great entry point at 130, but if Walmart goes another 5% down, which is $6-7 from here, 122, 123, we'll put them for the first time in a very, very long time below Kroger, below Costco, and below Target. And this will be an ideal entry point. And if you see, the last time it happened, it was in April after the March crash. Right here, this happened to actually Target. Target was the cheapest. Look at this. Target was the cheapest compared to Kroger. Right here, Costco, Walmart here, Costco here. And Target was here, let me see the price, $93. And when Target was at $93, cheaper compared to the other three, they went from $93 to almost $200. They're at $188 now. All-time high was $188. So they did 100% run, more than $100. Target was a great buy in here. I wish I knew about this comparison indicator. I wasn't informed by then, but this is how the basically the professionals are doing that. As of now, Kroger is the cheapest. But between those four, I hope that Walmart will go another, I don't know, $5, $6, $7 down to around this level. And if Walmart goes to this level, I will be, forever buyer for Walmart. Walmart is a forever stock. It's not gonna go bankruptcy anytime soon. And I prefer to buy Walmart at like 122 instead of 150. Even though 129 is also a great price, but if the market brings me more gift, I will gladly take them. Hope this helps. Hope you gain value, guys. If you do, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, my bell. As always, my name is Ziv, Finance After 40. I love Walmart, and I will love it a lot more $7 from now, which is not that far away. If the market keeps going down, I hope I will get my ideal entry. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.